Sunday of football. For example, quarterbacks that suffered pretty tough injuries yesterday. Where do we go?
Yeah, that's exactly where we are going here. Deshaun Watson, the Cleveland Browns starting quarterback for the last several years, someone who locked in for guaranteed money for the next 2 years, is feared to have suffered a torn Achilles that would knock him out for the season. This is one of them. You're seeing the clip right there. You don't have to be a doctor to watch this on TV and say, okay, that is for sure an Achilles injury. You can see it roll up in the back of his calf. He's going to have an MRI that will make for sure the diagnosis that everyone believes right now, which is that Deshaun Watson has played his last down in 2024. Kevin Stefanski walking up to the podium right after the game and essentially saying, that is what it looks like. It was a tough scene. Teammates were around him. He was wheeled off in a cart in tears with a towel over his head. Deshaun Watson likely playing his last down in 2024. The future is murky there. We are going to discuss it plenty over the next several days and weeks. Meanwhile, Dorian Thompson-Robinson, who is his backup, who actually was a backup for the first time for the Cleveland Browns, yesterday suffered a figure injury. My understanding is it is not considered to be major, but you do have to make sure he can actually grip the football. Someone important for a quarterback.